Good morning YouTube, it's the Lofty Biker here. It's a very special day. Two reasons. One, I'm riding Linny's scooter to Damerells. Cracking little scooter, Kawasaki J300. You might ask, why are you riding a scooter to go to Damerells? That's because I've put my BMW up for sale. My 2018 BMW R1200Rs. Yeah, it's on the market for just over 9 grand. Ready to go. Never been raced or rallied, how about that? It's the Sport SE. It's got every extra except for keyless, because I don't like keyless. It's got top box with a rack on top. It's got panniers. It's got Leo, Vinci, N-Can and BMW engine bars. It's got the standard seat. That is the one it came with, the original seat. It's had very little use. And it's also got heli bars fitted, which is one of the best accessories you can actually buy for the RS and the R. Anyway, you might say, well, why are you selling it, John? I'm selling it for the simple reason of today is new bike day. I'm going up to Damerells to pick up my new bike. I've only ever had 2 new bikes. This will be the second one, of course. The first one was my Triumph Tiger 1200, which was a lovely bike in cardinal red. And this one is a Honda NT1100 DCT. Yes, I've ordered the one with the dual clutch transmission. So this will be the same sort of setup. 3 boxes, 2 on the side and 1 on the top. Getting quite excited now. Linny asked me this morning while we was doing the breakfast, are you getting excited? And I said, not really, I'm still at work. Well, we managed to get all done for 11 o'clock and we're having a steady ride up to Damerells, where Mark will be waiting for us with a showroom full of brand new Hondas. I believe there were 11 delivered last week and 15 delivered this week. So they're going to be quite busy. That's the main reason why I've not got a chance to ride the CF Moto X700 Heritage. It's not been PDI'd because they've been busy PDIing customer bikes. Anyway, not to worry. So I'm going to turn it off and I'll have a quick catch up when we get closer to Damerells. See you in a minute. Okay then YouTube, here we are, just arriving up at Damerells. A lot of cars parked here. Let's go and see if the bike's ready to collect. Should be. I'll see you in a minute. Well, here we are YouTube. Look at that. Have a look at that. Right, so let's see if we can remember how to work it. Ignition on. Handbrake off. Ooh, that sounds nice, doesn't it? Drive. We're in drive. Okay, here we go. So, around the island, and we'll take a right here. She's not bothered. She's not going to stop for nobody. She's pulling out. Seems ever so strange I haven't ridden the DCT since I actually did the test ride. It just seems strange just to be sitting on a bike with no clutch and no gear lever. Although I rode up here on the J300 with Linny on the back, twist and go, it's very different to dual clutch. It's quite a complicated system. Where the cleverness is, it working out whether you're speeding up or slowing down. And on all accounts, it is an intuitive system. The more you use it, the better it gets and the more it adapts to the way you ride. Okay, we're all clear, let's go. So we're in S2. We pulled away there from the junction quite nicely. We got it up to third gear quite easily, but I just had to remind it that I wanted fourth, so I just gave it a finger, a quick prod, and it changed. There it goes. Fourth, third, second, and into first. Beautiful. A lot of people complain that when they're in D drive it changes up too quick, but it all depends on what you're doing. If you're out touring with the missus, you just drop it into drive and just take your time. If you want a bit more spirited, put it in sport mode. The steering's beautiful. For some reason we're in kilometres an hour. I'll have to have a look at the manual. As Smithy would say, RTFM, read the manual, Lofty. One thing that's been mentioned on the forum, and I've just spotted it myself, is on these new bikes, especially for last year and this year, the indicators are on all the time at the front. They're solid, like a driving light. And then when you indicate, the one that you're using goes off. And a number of people have said, because it's got the wind deflectors, these little wings here and here, you get a reflection off the indicator, and it can be quite annoying at night. And actually I've just noticed I can actually see it in the day. Some people have gone so far as to take the wings off, but I don't suppose I shall be doing much night driving. It's not the sort of thing I do that much of. Anyway, we're in tour mode. I'm not going to mess with much because I don't really know how this configuration of multiple function buttons does. I will say one thing, there is a considerably more leg room on this than my RS, and having taller handlebars, it does feel a lot like a mini adventure bike. You feel tall on the road. I bought all sorts of bikes down here. They've cleared it. Here we are. Put the handbrake on. Switch the ignition off. Right, there you go, YouTube. Lofty's new bike. What do you think of that? It's quite impressive, really, isn't it? I quite like the white. I was thinking about getting some stripes and stuff, but don't look bad at all, does it? Screen's in the low position. Right, here we go. Bit of off-roading. Never done anyone any harm. Nice little narrow gap here. Negotiate. Okay there. How about that? Are you ready, Percy Pig? Come on, let's go. Okay then, YouTube. My first little foray off-road just to get a picture. I'm going to get some fuel and I'll speak to you later. Well there, YouTube, I'm back again. I'm nearly back home now. Had a bit of a ride round. I took the panniers off. I got Linny on the back at the moment. We've been and got some petrol, 30 quid. I put 30 quid in it. I've never put 30 quid in a motorbike in my life. Must be scary for them who've got them GSs with them big tanks. Jesus Christ, no. No, 30 quid, I've got to say it again. Anyway. I've had a wonderful day. I've done about 60 odd mile. Anyway, I'm going to say this is the Lofty Biker saying ta-ra for now. Ta-ra.